Want to know how to enable notifications in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io application. And now once you've done that, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. Now, once you're on this screen here, you should be seeing various options you can choose from. Now, since you want to disable our notifications, it's super simple. On the top left side right here, you should be seeing a small gear icon. This is your gear icon or your settings tab. So you can just simply open it up and your new window should open up. Now, once you've done that here, you should be seeing notifications that will be right below as FX. So you can just simply turn it off. Since we want to disable our notifications, you can just simply turn it off. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily turn off your notifications in Snake.io. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and continue with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.